And welcome to my channel. This is my first narration video. In this video, I am showing you what the design process for my current camper van is. So as you have seen in my tour video, we have the futon couch bed that we can pull out here, and on top of that one I set up my kids' bed. We have our bathroom in the back, in the corner, and then we have a sink and kitchen countertop, fridge, microwave on this side. So this is what our setup is. We tried camping a couple of times with this setup, and we found out that having to set up two beds at nighttime is very tiring, very cumbersome. So we have decided to change the layout of this this van. One of the things was that when my kids bed was laid out, like set up like this, it was very difficult for us to get in and out of the bathroom, even though currently we only have a portable toilet in there. Just to get in the bathroom, it was a very tight squeeze. It doesn't show very effectively in this mock-up, but her bed was, when I was said and done, I made it just a little bit larger than the design here, and that actually this space here was really tight, and my dog would sometimes come out from her bed area and kind of try to come out here. That made it even worse, like trying to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, or just it was like you set up the bed, everybody go to bed, get up, put everything away, and that's it. Like if you have to move around in the middle of the night or something, it just did not work. So that being said, we are going to change the design, the layout of it totally. As I mentioned in my tour video, most of the items in my camper van is modular, including the bathroom. I plan on doing a time lapse type of video to show how I can take everything out from the van, and in that actual time that it's gonna take me to take it out from the van, like all the cabinets and bathroom beds, everything. I'm gonna show you how I can take everything out in a chunk. Like for example, um, the sink countertop area, that's all like one module, and that all comes out in one. After you take out a few screws, they all come out. And same thing with the kitchen, they will all come out, and you guys will be able to see that in my next video. But the design that I want to change this to is gonna be this right here. So in this design, we are planning to make the permanent bed in the back. Initially I didn't want to do that because I thought, oh, the bed area is gonna be all wasted, like we won't be able to use that while we are in the daytime using for day use. But we quickly found out that we had all of our blankets and covers, pillows, everything stored up above the cab area. That cabinet was all taken by all blankets and pillows and all the comforters and all that. So, and that storage became unavailable. So we are figuring that if we have a permanent bed set in the back, like so, then all of those bedding related materials can sit on top of the bed, and we won't have to set up at least one bed at the night time. One design I did add here, as you can see, is the flare for the back of the bed. I've been looking at some of the flares online, aftermarket flares for Sprinter, and they run about $2,000. I think that's a little too pricey. I am thinking I'm gonna make one of my own. I can weld, I can fabricate, so I think I should be able to make one of the design that I want to try, and I'll probably make a video of that as well. So, and that actually gives us a little leg space here from the bed area so that we don't have to have our feet like touching the walls or something like that. In this design, I because of this, like I didn't have to worry about my kids' bed being on top of the countertop here. We are able to utilize all the wall space as much possible and have cabinets hung on there. So it's very similar in a sense that okay, the kitchen has a microwave, um, the pantry, um, the fridge, and one in the bottom. We have some storage space. I'm probably gonna kind of keep the same pattern how it flows, and then this countertop might be the one that I have already in the back, the sink one. But one thing with this design I'm noticing is even if you put a smaller cabinet on the top of the area side where we have the pillows, so we have some headroom, and a larger one on the side where our legs gonna be, and then I have a larger cabinets there. I think it'll still work out, and we gain a lot of cabinet space. Right now, I don't have any cabinet spaces over here, so by moving the bed in the back, I think we'll be able to squeeze in quite a bit of cabinet space. Our seatings for the van seatings is already this way, where we have 3 seats in the front. I was able to move the middle seat onto I was able to add a jump seat in the middle by moving the e-brake from hand e-brake to a foot operated e-brake. So I was able to add that, and I plan on making these um, all the three seats turnable, like it can rotate back to kind of be this way, like facing back towards the cab. I plan on doing that. And one other thing I would like to do here, if possible, with the bathroom is, since I don't have a corner bathroom and the design is pretty much square for the front faces, what I would like to do to make this bathroom more usable is to make the front part of the bathroom almost like a drawer, so that it kind of slides out like this. And this will be how the bathroom will be when it's in use, or when we are taking shower, it'll be a wet bath. So when we're taking shower, it'll be a little bit more space here while using the bathroom. So that's what my plan is. Let me just make this like wood so that it looks more accurate. Okay, and then when I'm done with the using the bathroom, I plan on kind of sliding it back. You put a couple of drawer sliders in the bottom, maybe on the side. I think I'll be able to build something like that, and again, I'll make a video out of that. So I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking about for my kids' bed. So this bed for adults in the back, permanent bed, will store all of our beddings and such in here. That'll be great. For the kids' bed, this is the design I have. For my kids' bed, this is what I have for the design. The adults bed in the back, the adult's bed in the back, and for the kid, I'm gonna convert that table into a little platform area and have a mattress, I could possibly use the same mattress that I have in the back like this, and there's gonna be one bed there for a child and another bed in the back for adults. And I think this is gonna be pretty good design. I see a lot of storage space here, like all of these cabinet space are gonna be um, for storage, and underneath the bed, there's gonna be a fairly large space of things we can put there. And then I think this is a better use of space in such a smaller Sprinter van. So hopefully you guys will subscribe to my channel and I can make more videos of actually me doing the builds. For the last video, I just show you the kind of getting to the final products. But for this, if I get enough subscription, I'll plan on putting videos showing the builds and designing, and maybe even a tour of my workshop and how I make these cabinets so we can fit it in this design way. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.